Hello and welcome to Spy Math. This will be the first 8 questions of the January 2019 Regents questions 1 through 8. Multiple choice. Let's start with question number 1. After dilation with center 0, 0, the image dB is d prime b prime. If dB is 4.5, d prime b prime is 18, scale factor dilation is, well, scale factor is denoted the letter K, and scale factor is always the image over the pre-image. So in this case, it's 18 over 4.5, which equals 4. On to question number 2. Diagram below, triangle ABC, sides 13, 15, and 16 is mapped to triangle DEF. After a clockwise rotation of 90 degrees about point P, if DE is 2x minus 1, what's the value of x? Well, we rotate 90 degrees, DE matches with AB. The easiest way to see this is always to put the names of triangles one on top of the other and draw an arrow from each letter to show where each letter goes. So A goes to D, B goes to E. Therefore, in this case, 2x minus 1 16. Solve for x. So add 1 on both sides, get 2x equals 17. Divide by 2, x equals 8.5. Choice 4. On to the next question. On the set of axes below, triangle ABC has vertices as follows, and triangle DEF has the following vertices. The locations don't really matter. It's more viewing the diagram. Which sequence of transformations will map ABC onto DEF? Well, look at the diagram. ABC and DF had a full 180 degree rotation from A to D. It also doubled in size, which is choice number 3. Which says a dilation of triangle ABC by a scale factor of 2, centered at the origin, followed by a rotation of 180 degrees about the origin. Question number 4. Figure below shows a rhombus with non-congruent diagonals. Which transformation will not carry down itself? Well, the diagonals are not congruent, but their parts are congruent. The top part's congruent to the top part. Same thing here. These parts are congruent. If you rotate 90 degrees, choice 3, this goes here. This goes here, making the non-congruent parts line up. So a clockwise rotation of 90 degrees about the intersection diagonals to lead to non-congruence. In the diagram below, circle O points K, A, T, I, and E are on the circle, where triangle K, A, E, and triangle IT are drawn, where KE, arc KE is congruent to arc EI, and angle EKA is congruent to angle EIT. So let's mark off the givens. So the angles are the same, the arcs are the same. If those arcs are the same, those inscribed angles opposite them, angle KAE and angle ITE are the same. Also, if the arcs are the same, the segments opposite them, KE is the same as IE. Therefore, the two triangles are the same by side, angle side, triangle congruence there, and therefore the two triangles are congruent, which is choice number 4. Number 6. In the right triangle ABCD shown below, the point E is on CB such that line or segment AC is parallel to D. Denote those two parallel lines using arrows. AB is 15, BC is 12, EC is 7, making BE 5. We'll call BD X, set up a proportion, part over whole. X over 15 equals 5 over 12. We'll cross multiply. 12x equals 15, 5 is 75. Divide by 12. X equals 6.25, which is choice number 2. On to question number 7. Draw out the rhombus V, E, and U. Keep reading the question. In rhombus VNU, diagonals VN and EU intersect at S. In a rhombus, two diagonals form right angles. So it forms a right angle there. VN equals 12. EU equals 16. What's the perimeter of this rhombus? So we'll draw one triangle, one right triangle of this rhombus separately. V, S, E. We want to figure out the side outside. We'll call it X. This side is 6. EU is 8, making SE 8. Using the Pythagorean theorem, we get 6 squared plus 8 squared equals x squared. Square our values, 36 plus 64 equals x squared. X squared equals 100. Take the square root, where x equals 10. Now I want to find the perimeter. So the length of each side of the rhombus is the same, making each side 10. So the perimeter is 4 times 10, which is 40. Which is choice number 2. And the last question on this video. Given right triangle ABC, right angle at C, measure of angle B 61, given right triangle R is T, right angle at T, measure of R equaling 29 degrees, which proportion relation to ABC RST is not correct. Now in every question with the word not, it is always italicized to make it stand out and make it easier to see. But when this happens, you have to try out every single choice to eliminate them. So let's get these triangles to match up. Well, in a triangle with 180 degrees, so if C is 90, angle B is 61, making angle A have to be 29 degrees, and angle S to be 61 degrees. Label triangles names right on top of each other, with a 61 degree S goes with B, C goes with T, A goes with R. So A has to go with R, C has to go with T, and B has to go with S. So which relation will not work? So let's try each one, and we'll highlight each one separately. So AB matches with RS, so far good. RT does match with AC, but in the first proportion we're starting in the first triangle, going to the second triangle. In the second portion we're starting in the second triangle, going to the first triangle. You always got to start and end in the same place, not reversing it. Okay, so that eliminates choice number 1. On to choice number 2. BC matches with ST. That's correct. AB matches with RS. That is perfectly correct. So that cannot be the answer. As of right now, choice 1 is our only candidate. On to choice 2. Choice 3, I mean. BC matches with ST. That's right. AC matches RT. That's completely correct. Not allowing choice number 3. And the last choice to try out. AB matches with AC, comparing one triangle to itself using a trigonometric relationship. And the same thing, RS compared to RT. So we compare the hypotenuse, 2 leg in both cases, which are valid proportions, leaving us the only one that does not work, AB to RS and RT to AC. And repeat the reason why. Once you start on one triangle, you go to that triangle, both proportions must start in the same place, where in choice 1, we start in 1, go to 2, and the second portion starts in 2 and goes back to 1. That's it for the first 8 questions of the January 2019 Regents. Look back for other videos to see the rest of the multiple choice and short answers. Thank you, and have a great day.